Task code A07. Event registration, processing registration. The task is to post new events to the online event listings. Step 1, open up Gmail account for thrilltheworld@gmail.com. Access is given to you directly. Do not share, post, or decide to write in the sky. On the left-hand side, click on Documents. A new tab opens. Select TTW 2009 Event Registration. This is where all event registration info goes in. It's all self-explanatory. What you'll need to know is on the far right end are these little columns that say email sent, posted online. Posted online is the one you're going to use. So if they've been posted, they have an X in them. If they have no X, they haven't been posted. That way, just in case someone other than one person is doing this task, you'll know where they left off. So we start off at event 376, Tampa, Florida. Let's go back to the beginning now. United States, Florida. Okay, next thing you need to do is open up another tab for Thrill the World, just the regular website. Go to Join an Event. Scroll down. This is where all the events are listed. You need one more tab, which is for thrilltheworld.com/admin, A-D-M-I-N. Don't peek. Oops. When you log in, you're going to have your own login. Do not share with anyone, because you have to use your own so we know who made changes. Now, we have headings on the upper left-hand corner. We go to Zoom. Publish. Drop menu appears. Click on Official Events. A whole new page appears. Not a new tab, just a new page. And it's got these wonderful little boxes where you just enter the info for it. So we know the title is the city, and that is Tampa, Florida. Oh wait, I already did one for Tampa. Hold on. I did a first video and then I realized I totally forgot something, so let's do the next one. We did Tampa, Tacoma, Washington. Here we go. So I look here, Tacoma, Washington. I copy the email address. So now I go in here. Oh, if I could type Tacoma. Go down to official event. Select 2009. If you select any of the other ones, the event won't appear online. 2009. Go to country. Now with countries, as soon as you start typing, what other countries do we have? A country. If the country has already been entered, then it'll show up. So you can just highlight it and click enter. We're going to do USA. There we go. State is Washington. There's already an event in Washington, so it's there. Click down, hit enter, tab, and Control V to paste your email address. Hit tab again so you're in the website URL box. Go back, select the website, copy, go back into the tab where you do the registration, and paste the website. There's two more things to do before you finish this, and that is to check, make sure that the event is public or private. This one is public, in which case we don't have to do anything here. If it was private, we'd have to select, if it was private, then we'd have to select private there. It's right underneath the, okay. And the last thing we need to do is go up to, where are you now? Oh, and just scroll up. Here. At the top of the page, so there's the title. Go to Options, and right now the status is closed, so you have to click on Open. Once you've done that, you click on Submit, and it goes online. Now let's say you entered something in, you're like, oh, okay, great, I did a good job. Oh no, I accidentally hit public when it was a private event. Then you go into the Edit tab, which is the second tab at the top. It gives you a list of all the different pages and entries that we have on the website. And they show up in the order of what's been altered or created most recently, except for Thrill the World 2009. That always appears at the top. Okay, so Tacoma is the last one we entered. We would click on it. We get the same page open again. You can make the same changes and alterations as what you did originally. So if I needed to change it to private, I would just scroll down and change that. maybe I forgot to open it, in which case go to Options and go to Status. Okay? And then once you made your changes, update. So there's the two things that you need to know for that. Publish official events, and if you need to edit them after you've published them, then you go to Edit and you find the event. Now let's say you can't find it. Maybe you've done so many events, you've posted so many, you can't see it on the list. Well, easy. Do a keyword search. Here on the left, keywords, and you can type in, if you remember the city names, you can do Seattle. Hit enter. We've got 3 events in Seattle, but some of those are from the year before, right? So you can know that by looking at here. So we've got 3 in Seattle, and you know when they were made based on the date. So one was from 2009, the others are from before, right? So if you need to edit them, open them, do that, click update. Make sure that you log out before you close this all. If you need to check to see how they appear on the website, once you've updated an event, just make sure you refresh this page and it'll show you on there any new events. And then when you're done, make sure that you go to the end of the columns, and if you've posted the event, put an X in it. That way if someone else takes over your task, they know where you've left off. When you're done, close the event registration, close the Google Docs, and log out of the Gmail.